What is litmus? Litmus is a natural indicator obtained from lichens. What colors of litmus paper are commonly used? Red and blue. What happens when blue litmus paper is dipped in an acidic solution? It turns red. What happens when the red litmus paper is dipped in a basic solution? It turns blue. What are substances that turn blue litmus red called? Acids. What are substances that turn red litmus blue called? Bases. What is the nature of substances that do not change the color of litmus paper? Neutral. What is a natural acid-like indicator? A substance like red rose extract that changes color in acidic or basic solutions. What color does red rose extract turn in acidic solutions? Red. What color does red rose extract turn in basic solutions? Green. Can turmeric pepper detect acids? No. Turmeric pepper does not change color in acids. What color does turmeric pepper turn in a basic solution? Red. What is the taste of acidic substances? Sour. What is the taste of basic substances? Bitter. Name one acid found in lemon juice. Citric acid. Name one acid found in amla juice. Ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. Name one acid found in tamarind water. Tartaric acid. What feels slippery to touch? Acid or base? Base. What is neutralization? Reaction between an acid and a base producing salt and water. What are the products of neutralization? Salt and water. What happens to the pH of a solution after neutralization? It becomes neutral, that is pH 7. Why does baking soda relieve the sting of an ant bite? Because it neutralizes the acidic formic acid from the ant bite. What is lime water? A basic solution of calcium hydroxide in water. What causes the bubbling when vinegar reacts with marble? Release of carbon dioxide gas. Which indicator can change color depending on soil acidity? Hydrangea flowers. How can acidic soil be neutralized? By adding lime, that is a base. What kind of substances can be tested with turmeric pepper? Basic substances. Name a synthetic acid base indicator. Methyl orange, not from the chapter but commonly known as methyl orange. What forms when an acid reacts with a base? Salt and water. What is vinegar mainly composed of? Acetic acid. What is an olfactory indicator? A substance whose odor changes with acid, acidic or basic conditions. Give an example of an olfactory indicator. Onion strips. Why does soap feel slippery? Because it is basic. What is the function of an acid base indicator? To show whether a solution is acidic or basic by changing color. Can red rose extract be used as an acid base indicator? Yes. Does sugar solution change the color of litmus paper? No, it is neutral. What does excess lime do to acidic soil? Neutralizes it. What kind of reaction produces heat? Acid base or acid acid? Acid base neutralization reaction. What is the natural source of litmus? Lichens. What is the effect of baking soda solution on red litmus paper? Turns it blue. What happens when lemon juice is added to blue litmus paper? Turns red. What is a common use of turmeric in testing? To test for bases. What color does the red rose extract turn when soap solution is added? Green. What is the color of turmeric pepper before testing? Yellow. What is the name of the acid in curd? Lactic acid. Why should unknown substances not be tested? Because they may be harmful or poisonous. What happens to the color of red litmus paper in neutral solutions? No change. What happens when acid and base react in excess amounts? The solution becomes acidic or basic depending on the excess. What color does blue litmus paper turn in basic solution? No change. Remains blue. Name one acid found in tamarind water. Tartaric acid.